You can quickly remove items that you don't want in the System Tools group. In the menu bar in the top right corner you will see the clock and other system tools. Most of these items can be removed by holding the Command key. Then dragging the item out of the menu bar, wait for the X to appear, then let go. Now not all items can be removed. The buttons for Spotlight and Notification Center are always in the menu bar. To put items back or for an alternative way to remove them, go to System Preferences. Then find the category in System References that relates to the item that you want to add or remove from the menu bar. This may take some searching. For example, to put the clock back in the menu bar, go to the Date and Time category, then go to the Clock tab. You can enable or disable the option to show date and time in the menu bar. The option for Wi-Fi status can be found in the Network category. You can show or hide Wi-Fi status from here. And if you're using a laptop, the option for battery status can be found in the Energy Saver category. I think you would be understood, and thanks for watching.